Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel Easy Learning. Today we are going to do exercise 14.3 factorization grade 8, in which we will be learning division of various algebraic expressions. So to begin with question number 1, which is carry out the following divisions. The first part is 28x raised to the power 4 to be divided by 56x. So you see it's a division of monomial with a monomial. So these are simple ones. How you can do 28x raised to the power 4 upon 56x. If you are a little bit confused, you can do the factorization, but in grade 8 we know directly 28 2 is 56. So this becomes 1 upon 2, and I can write as minus 1 because we know the exponent rules, right? This can be x raised to the power 4 minus 1, which gives you x cube, or directly it can be expanded as 4 times x upon x, and you cancel it, even then you get x raised to the power cube. So in the beginning few questions I will be explaining you in detail, and then you will be able to manage it, right? So this is the answer for the first part. Now second part, if you see, is minus 36y cubed divided by 9y square. Again we will write it in the fractional form, minus sign as it is, 9y square. Now minus sign will be as it is, 9 fours is 36, so here is a 4, y cube upon y square. So y cube upon y square, it means you are left with 1y here. So your answer will be minus 4y. So these are simple divisions of the algebraic expressions. With the next question, third part, it says 66 pq square r cube to be divided by 11qr square, right? So this is your question. Again you have to divide a monomial with a monomial. So again 66 pq square r cube upon 11qr square. Now 11 6 give me 66, so this is cancelled. Now p as it is in the numerator, if you cancel this q with this q, you are left with only one q, and r cube upon r square gives you r. So your answer is 6pqr. So these are, when you don't need to do anything, it's just simple division kind of. Fourth part is 34x cube y cube z cube upon 51xy square z cube. Now you need to see the common factor of 34 and 51, and this is divisible by 17 2s are 34 and 17 3s is 51. So both the numbers are divisible by 17. So I can write 2 by 3. Now x cube upon x. So you are left with x square. Y cube upon y square. 2 y's cancelled. You are left with 1 y in the numerator. And z cube is cancelled with z cube. So your answer is 2 upon 3 x square y. Okay. Now let's do fifth part of this question, which is 12 a raised to the power 8 b raised to the power 8 divided by minus 6 a raised to the power 6 and b raised to the power 4. Again minus sign, and 6 2s is 12. If you cancelled a raised to the power 8 upon a raised to the power 6, you are left with a square. Similarly, b raised to the power 8 upon b raised to the power gives me b raised to the power 4. So this is your answer. So with this, question number 1 is done, in which we have divided a monomial by a monomial. Okay. To start with question number 2, you have to divide a polynomial which may be a binomial, which may be a trinomial, by a monomial. So in the denominator you will again have one term, but in the numerator you may have a binomial, you may have a trinomial, etc. Okay. So let's see the first part of this question, which is 5x squared minus 6x, and you have to divide it by 3x. Now you see there is one term and then second term. So it means the given expression in the numerator is a binomial to be divided by 3x. So if I write it as 5x squared minus 6x upon 3x. One thing which I would like to mention here, you cannot cancel this term separately with 5x square and 6x. I mean, we cannot cancel the terms like this. because in the numerator we have terms with addition and subtraction sign, so we cannot cancel. The best way will be we will take the terms common. So what is common if you see in the numerator? Can I take x as common? Nothing is common in 5 and 6. I'm left with 5x minus 6 in the bracket, and this you get 3x. This x now can be cancelled with this, and your answer is 5x minus 6 upon 3. This is how we will be doing this question. Now, to divide it with y raised to the power 4. Again, you see there are three terms, 1, 2 and 3 terms in the numerator, and we have one single term in the denominator, right? So as in multiplication, if I write a into b plus c, and when we open the bracket, when we expand it, we multiply the a with all the terms inside the bracket, and we write it as ab plus ac. We say this a is equally shared with all the terms inside the bracket. Similarly, when we have something in division, this y raised to the power 4 is equally shared with all three terms, right? So we cannot divide it till the time we take something common. So now you see what is common in the numerator. Y raised to the power 4. From here, if y raised to the power 4 is common, it is 3 y raised to the power 4 minus sign 4 y square and plus 5. In the denominator, we have y raised to the power 4. Now we can cancel it, and I am left with 3 y raised to the power 4 minus 4y square plus 5. This will be the answer after dividing the given polynomial by a monomial. Okay. You can pause the video if you want to note it down. I am starting with part 3 of this question. Part 3 is, it is 8x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube, which you have to divide with 4x square y square z square. Now what kind of expression? If you see, it's a division of a trinomial, and in the denominator again you have to divide it with a monomial. So we cannot cancel the terms. This 8 is common, so maybe this is 4 to the 8, you can write it. But out of these terms in the bracket, inside the bracket, we have 1, 2, 3. Let's see what is common. So what is common here? 2 as it is. This we can see, this is x cube, x square and x square. So x square can be common. Y square, y cube and y square, the lowest common factor will be the highest common factor will be y square. And similarly z square can be common. Now from here you have x cube, y square, z square, and you have taken x square, y square, z square common. So this is cancelled, and what you are left with? Only x. Similarly, in the second term, your x square and z square is cancelled. You are left with y, and this is your z. And in the denominator, we do have x square, y square, z square. Now, you see, this x square is cancelled with this, y square is cancelled, z square is cancelled. Therefore, I am left with 2 into x plus y plus z. So the common error, you cannot divide the terms until and unless you take out common from the brackets. Okay. Now moving to fourth part of this question, which is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x, and to be divided it with 2x. This is again simple question. What is common in the numerator? It is x, minimum power is 1, so x can be common. I am left with x square plus 2x plus 3 upon 2x, right? Now this x and this x can be cancelled. What will be my answer? 1 upon 2 as it is, which is you are left with in the denominator inside the bracket x square plus 2x plus 3. So this will be my answer. Okay. Let's see fifth part of this question, which is actually the last part of question number 2, minus p raised to the power 6 q cube, and that you have to divide with p cube q cube. Again, let's see what is common. Here you have a p cube, here p raised to the power 6, so p cube can be common. Q raised to the power 6, here I have q cube, so q cube is common. What I am left with here? Q cube minus p cube. In the denominator we have p cube q cube. Again, This p cube can be cancelled with this q cube is cancelled with this. What will be my answer? I am getting my answer as q cube minus p cube. So this is all about question number 2. Now I will begin with question number 3. You can pause the video wherever you want to note it down or you want to understand it again. Question number 3 is again work out the following divisions. It's again this complete exercise is based on division concept. So if you see your question number 1 is 10x minus 25, which you have to divide with 5 only. So again the same concept, it's a binomial to be divided with a monomial. I'll take 5 as common. So 2x, 5 5s are 25 and this 5, you can cancel it. I'm left with 2x minus 5, which will be the answer of first part. Now let's see the second part. It is 10x minus 25 and in the denominator you have 2x minus 5. Now this is a binomial to be divided by a binomial. What is common in the numerator? You can take 5 is common. 5 2s are 10, x, 5 5s are 25, 2x minus 5 as it is. Now this complete factor can be cancelled with each other and your answer will be 5. Right? Let's see what is in the third part of the question. It is 10y given here. Within bracket you have 6y plus 21, which you have to divide with 5 into 2y plus 7. Interesting. So if I take 10y as it is, what is common from here? 6y plus 21. What can be common from here? I can take 3 common. 3 2s are 6y and 3 7s are 21. 5 into 2y plus 7. Right? So now you see this 2y plus 7 can be cancelled with this 2y plus 7 and we know 5 2s is 10. Now you are left with 2y into 3, which gives you 2 3s are 6y. So after doing the division, my answer is coming out 6y. So all questions are same. You have to be little careful. These questions are very simple, very easy questions. Fourth part, 9x square y square. Then you have 3z minus 24, which you have to divide with 27xy and z minus 8. Now this will be 9x square y square. What can be common from the numerator? It is 3. I am left with z minus 8 because 3 8s are 24. Now this will be 27xy and z minus 8. Now do we have something common? I can cancel this factor. Everything is in multiplication, so we can cancel this. Now 9 3s are 27 and this 3 can be cancelled with this. Now this xy and x square y square gives me xy. Right? So what will be my answer for this question? Xy. Rest all the terms you see are cancelled. Right? So now I'm moving to the last part of question number 3. Let's see. Question number 3 last part, which is 96ABC. Then you have 3a minus 12. Then you have another bracket which is 5b minus 30. And this you have to divide. In the denominator you have 144, a minus 4 and b minus 6. So this seems to be complicated, but this question is again direct question. Write it as 96ABC. What is common from the first bracket? 3 is common. I can write a minus 4 into, from second bracket 5 can be common. Then you are left with 5 6 are 30. So it is b minus 6. Again I am writing it as 144, a minus 4 and b minus 6 as it is. Now all the terms are in multiplication, so we can cancel this with this. Now how much it will be? If you see, you are getting this can be cancelled with 3 4s are 12 and then you are having a 2 here and which gives you 48, right? So now you are having 96 ABC upon 48 and this 5 is also here, so into 5. How many times? If you see you want to cancel it with 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, and then you are left with 4 fours are 16. Now 12 twos are 24. You are having 2 into 5 ABC, which gives you 10 ABC will be your answer of this question. With this, I am completing this video. I will be starting my next question. Please for that see my next video. Till then, take care and keep practicing maths.